Assalamu alaikum, Miss Fatima is speaking. I hope you are in good health. Today, inshallah, we'll discuss how to identify and determine the main idea in the paragraph. What is a paragraph? Give me a definition of a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences relating to a single topic. If I ask you another question, what are the elements of paragraph? Yeah, a paragraph includes a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a closing sentence. Yeah. What is the main idea? Give me a definition of a main idea. A main idea is what the text is mostly about. Yes. Supporting details or supporting sentences are making up the body of a paragraph. Okay, they are giving details to develop and support the main idea of the paragraph using facts, details, and examples. Yes. What is a topic? What is a topic? A definition of a topic. A topic is the subject of the text. The topic is always a word or a phrase, so you don't state it as a complete sentence. If I ask you, okay, just to identify the topic of this paragraph, what is the topic of this paragraph? Looking for a topic in text here. Water is an amazing resource. Everyone in the world depends upon it. Every creature needs water to survive. Without water, we wouldn't last long. Water makes our world beautiful. What is the topic of this paragraph? Here, if you look to the words that is in yellow colors here, okay, and the pronoun it refers to the noun water here, so it is the topic. The topic, okay, of the paragraph, okay, is the it is the most repeated words or phrases in a paragraph. This is the topic. Yes. So in the last paragraph, okay, the word water was repeated again and again. The good way to find topics is looking for repeated words and phrases in the paragraph. Finding main idea. How, yes, we can identify and determine the main idea, okay, in the paragraph. Yes. Here, okay, as okay, we have found the topic of the paragraph, we can find the main idea. The main idea, okay, includes topic plus the main point about the topic. This is the main idea. Topic plus main point about the topic. Yes. Looking, okay, for this paragraph and try to find the main idea. Try to identify the main idea of this paragraph. Water is an amazing resource. Everyone in the world depends upon it, etc. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Yes. Just try at first identify the topic of this paragraph. Okay, are saying that the topic of this paragraph is water. Yes, and the main point about this topic is an amazing resource. Water is okay, so yes, okay, the main point is an amazing resource. So the main point about the topic, water is an amazing resource. This is the main point. Okay, from this example, you can notice that topics are expressed as words or phrases, but main ideas are expressed in sentences. This is the difference among, okay, the topic and the main idea. The topic just, okay, is always a word or a phrases, okay, or a phrase, but the main idea, okay, the main idea, okay, is expressed in a sentence. Topic plus main point about the topic equal main idea. Where is the main idea? Where can you find the main idea in the paragraph? Yes. In many paragraphs, the first sentence states the main idea, but it's not all the time you can find it at the first sentence of the paragraph. Yes. When the author states the main idea, it is called an explicit main idea. Yes. But the paragraphs, okay, but the main idea is not always in the first sentence. Why? Because when the main idea is not directly stated, it is called an implicit main idea. So we have two types of, okay, main ideas we can identify. Explicit main idea, okay, which is directly stated in the paragraph, okay, and implicit main idea, which is not directly stated in the paragraph. Here, look for the main idea in this paragraph. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Yes, the first sentence here, okay, is not the main idea. Croc, croc, okay, care plop, what's that at the water's edge? It might be a green frog, a creature that's well suited for life at the pond's edge. Green frogs like to live where the land meets the water. This keeps them safe from predators that live on the land. When a predator like a snake comes near, the green frog can quickly leap into the water and get away. Green frogs can eat animals from both places, including, yes, crayfish, spiders, fish, and even birds. In this example, or in this paragraph, the first sentence is not the main idea. Let's look for the topic. What is the topic of this paragraph? Here, the most repeated words or phrases in the paragraph, this is the topic. Yes, here, okay, in the yellow, okay, color, green frog. Green frog is a kind of a creature. Yes, is a creature, is a kind of creatures. Green frogs, them. This pronoun, okay, refers to a green frog. This is the topic of this paragraph. So the main idea, yes, just okay, does, okay, what's that at the water's edge? Can we consider, okay, this, okay, question as, or the second sentence of this paragraph as a main idea of the paragraph? Can we consider it as the main idea? What's that at the water's edge? Yes, we can't consider the second, okay, sentence, or okay, like a question here, what's that at the water's edge? Okay, we can't consider that as a main idea because it is expressed as question. Yes, so the main idea of this paragraph is it might be a green frog, a creature that's well suited for life at the pond's edge. This is the main idea of this paragraph. Why? Okay, is it the main paragraph? Okay, the main idea of the paragraph? Yes, because okay, this sentence, okay, includes the topic plus the main point about the topic. Yes, the topic is a green frog. And the main point about that topic, it might, okay, it might be a green frog, a creature that's well suited for the life at the pond's edge. This sentence includes the topic and it also makes a main point about the topic. Yes, we have the topic and the main point about the topic here. So this is the main idea of this paragraph. Yes. The main idea, okay, is called the topic sentence, but that's just the way it is. Okay, sometimes, okay, so the main idea, this means that the main idea is a part of the topic sentence. Okay, in other words, a topic sentence includes, okay, the topic sentence, topic sentence summarize the main idea of the paragraph. Yes, indicates to the readers on what the paragraph will be about. Yes. If I ask you how we can find the main idea, yes, to find the main idea, figure out the topic. At first, you need to identify the topic, okay, of the paragraph. Then look for a sentence that states a main point about the topic. By this way, you can identify the main idea of the paragraph. Yes. Just, okay, let's review how do I find the main idea, or how do you find the main idea. You can find the main idea by following these steps. At first, start by finding the topic. Next, okay, read each sentence in the paragraph. Yes. After that, okay, find a sentence that states the topic and a main point about the topic. By this way, you can identify and find the main idea of the paragraph. Okay, just, okay, to assist to what extent you understand from that, what is, okay, the difference between topic and main idea? What is the difference? Yes. The difference among a topic and the main idea, a topic is stated in a word or a phrase. Yes. So you don't state it as a complex sentence or a complete sentence, a topic. Yeah. But the main idea includes the topic plus the main point, okay, about the topic, and is stated in a sentence, okay, not in a question. It's incorrect to consider, okay, the question as a main idea. Just, okay, in a complete sentence. Yes. And yes, let's, okay, give more details about, yes, the main idea and supporting details. Okay, what is the main idea? Here, okay, more details about the main idea. The main idea is the big point or the most important idea that the writer is communicating to the reader. Okay, main idea considers as the backbone of the paragraph. Yes. Here, okay, sometimes the reader can find the main idea just by looking at the title. For example, here we have an example about that. Yes, why students should have less homework. Okay, this, okay, title will include reasons for that idea. Yes. What's the point here in this, okay, in this paragraph? Read this a short paragraph and answer and try to answer this question. Did this make sense? Okay, engineers create wealth for society. So tennis is a game and the resources of the earth are scarce. Have you gone mad? Thus, the only solution is to educate the public on being socially responsible. Okay, did this make sense? Yeah, in this paragraph? Of course not. It didn't have a main idea. This paragraph didn't have a main idea. I think, yes, it was difficult to understand because it was made of different ideas that didn't, okay, join. So the normal passages have main ideas. Yes. The main idea is like the heart of the text or a paragraph. Sometimes, okay, is called, is sometimes called the controlling idea. All the other supporting sentences or details in the text, or within a paragraph should tell us more about the main idea. This is the function of supporting sentences. Gives more details and giving details to develop and support the main idea of the paragraph. Yes, this is the function of supporting sentences in the paragraph, to support and develop the main idea of the paragraph. Just try to ask yourself who or what is the passage about. If you want to identify the topic sentence or the main idea of the paragraph, just try to answer these questions. Who or what is this passage about? Yes, the topic sentence here. What is the topic sentence? Yes, the topic sentence introduces the main idea of the paragraph. It summarizes the main idea of the paragraph. Also, it indicates to the reader what the paragraph will be about. Yes, this is the definition of the topic sentence. Here we have a paragraph. Just try to identify or find the topic sentence of this paragraph. Yes, homeless people have many problems. In winter, it's hard to stay warm and it gets too hot in summer. It's also hard to keep things safe without a home. What is the lack of privacy? Yes, what is the topic sentence in this paragraph? Yes, homeless people have many problems. Is the topic sentence of this paragraph. Yes. Supporting details. Now, before to start supporting details, it's very important to know about another topic sentence that is a topic sentence is a statement that tells what your paragraph will be about. And a good topic sentence does two important things. The topic sentence helps you stay focused on the topic of your paragraph. Also, it helps readers to know what your paragraph will be about. Pay attention for that, is very important. Yes. So the topic sentence should state the topic and include or summarize the idea. Yes, supporting details. Supporting details prove the value of the main idea. What are they here? This is the supporting sentence. Supporting sentences or details, are giving support details to develop and support the main idea of the paragraph. Yes, if I ask you just identify the supporting sentences of this paragraph. Homeless people have many problems. In winter, it's hard to stay warm and it gets too hot in summer. It's also hard to keep things safe without a home. What is the lack of privacy? Here, in bold, here in this paragraph, the sentences in bold, these are the supporting sentences which give details to support and develop the main idea of this paragraph. Here we have 3 points. Yes. Stated and implied main idea. هلا احنا الstated main idea. This is explicit main idea which is stated directly in the paragraph. Yes. But implied main idea, isn't stated directly in the paragraph. So the reader needs to state the main idea in their own words because it doesn't actually say it in the paragraph. Let's take a look at two examples here. The first example here is the students had fun on their field trip. They visited the Marine Museum. They were able to tour a tugboat, and they bought souvenirs in the gift shop. After the tours, they ate a picnic lunch in the park and played with their friends. In this paragraph, the underlined portion of the sentence is the main idea. The students had fun on their field trip. This is the main idea of this paragraph. Yes. And is stated for the reader. So it's explicit. Main idea. In the second example here, Samantha, I can't eat or sleep when you are gone. I need to hear your soothing voice and see your lovely smile. I miss that special way you sing. Please come home soon. In this paragraph, the main idea isn't stated directly, so it is implied. However, by reading the paragraph, the reader can determine and identify the main idea. What is, the main idea of this paragraph? In context, you can identify the main idea of this paragraph. The author, Mrs. Samantha. When the author says, I can't eat or sleep when you are gone, I need to hear your soothing voice. I miss that special way. So the main idea of this paragraph is the author, Mrs. Samantha. Yes. Too much information. Sometimes we find irrelevant sentences in the paragraph. So it's very necessary to avoid, to put, or to, when you are writing, a paragraph, to put, too much information not related to the paragraph. So all of the sentences in a paragraph should support the main idea of that paragraph. Information that doesn't support the main idea, it doesn't belong in the same paragraph. It's very necessary to omit, delete them. So take a look at the example on the next slide. Find the extra information that doesn't support the main idea. These, extra informations, we called irrelevant sentences. Yes, here. Maria offered to help her mother clean the house. She vacuumed the living room and dusted the furniture. She picked up the toys in the playroom. She ate a ham sandwich for lunch. Then she mopped the kitchen floor. Which sentence doesn't support the main idea? The sentence doesn't support the main idea. It is irrelevant to, it is irrelevant sentence, which is, which doesn't, support and develop the main idea, doesn't relate to the main idea of the paragraph. So the sentence which doesn't support the main idea is, she ate a ham sandwich for lunch. Why? Yes, because here from the main idea, because this sentence, this sentence is irrelevant sentence because it doesn't support, and develop the main idea, which is about Maria offered to help her mother clean the house. الactions that Maria, in which she helps her mother, vacuumed, dusted, picked up, these verbs, mopped the kitchen. These are, Maria's assistance to her, mother. So the irrelevant sentence, she ate a ham sandwich for lunch. Find the sentence that doesn't support the main idea, which is irrelevant sentence. Winter provides the opportunity for many outdoor activities. Many people enjoy ice skating on a pond. Swimming in the pond in summer can also be fun. Skiing can be a thrilling experience too. After a new snowfall, you can even build a snowman. What is the okay, irrelevant sentence. Irrelevant sentence, this means that, okay, the sentence that doesn't support the main idea. So the irrelevant sentence here is swimming in the pond in summer can also be fun. Okay, this sentence, okay, doesn't support, okay, the main idea, which is winter provides the opportunity for many outdoor activities. Yes. Try to identify the main idea of this, okay, paragraph, which, okay, is the most appropriate, okay, main idea of this paragraph from these choices. We have here 3 choices. Just try to identify the, okay, the appropriate main idea of this paragraph. The rainforest is home to many creatures. Monkeys, toucans, and macaws live in the rainforest. Butterflies and anteaters also live in the rainforest. What is the main idea here? The first choice is sloths and tatars are other creatures that live in the rainforest. Do you think this choice we can consider as a main idea of this paragraph? I think it is, okay, just, okay, the minor or supporting sentence. Yes, the rainforest is home to many creatures. Yes. Yes, this is the main idea. The rainforest is home to many creatures. This is, okay, the first sentence of the paragraph. So, okay, what is the type of main idea here? It is explicit main idea, directly stated in the first sentence of the paragraph. Yes. Okay, the next exercise, try another. Soccer players learn many skills when playing soccer. Soccer players learn how to dribble and pass the ball. They also learn how to control the ball so they can eventually score. Most importantly, soccer players learn how to work together with their teammates. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Just try to think about that. What is, okay, the appropriate, the suitable, okay, main idea for this paragraph? Yeah. The first choice is about they also learn how to control the ball so they can eventually score. Okay. Do you think we can consider this choice as a main idea of this paragraph? No. I think just give more details, okay, as a supporting sentence. We can, okay, use it. Soccer players learn how to dribble. Just, okay, this paragraph talks about soccer players learn how to dribble. No, okay, it's, okay, just a supporting sentence. Yeah. So the best, okay, main and the appropriate main idea for this paragraph is soccer players learn many skills when playing soccer. Yes. These skills are, yes, soccer players learn many skills when playing soccer. This is explicit main idea. Type. The next one is swimming. Yes, is one thing that can be done at the beach. Snorkeling is another thing that can be enjoyed. Playing beach volleyball can be a lot of fun. It is also fun to look for shells. Some people seemingly like to sunbathe. Here, okay, the main idea is not stated directly, so implied main idea. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Yes, here we have many things, okay? Yes, here we have many things, okay, that can be done at the beach, like swimming, snorkeling, playing beach volleyball, yes, and look for shells, sunbathe. So the main idea of this paragraph, we can, okay, restate it as there are many fun things to do at the beach. To identify, so if you want to write or identify the main or the appropriate main idea of the paragraph, just try to identify at first the topic and the main point about this topic or that topic. Yeah. So the appropriate main idea of this topic is there are many fun things to do at the beach, like or such as swimming, snorkeling, playing beach volleyball, look for shells, sunbathe, etc. Yeah. Thank you. I hope. Okay. Best wishes.